YouTube. It is Hunter. Welcome back to another vlog. As y'all can see, I really couldn't upload a vlog last night because I was at my job doing my day 3 of training. So today is on my only full off day, which I slept in. Took advantage of that, trying to recover and stuff like that. So we got to run some errands today. I'm gonna make the last bit of my food that I have here because my goal is to continuously eat the groceries I have at home, which we're cleaning up the fridge pretty well. So I mean, like, you know what I'm saying? We still got sauces and stuff like that, so we're gonna save money on that. We've got a little bit of rotisserie chicken left, but the problem is the lettuce ended up browning because I didn't air seal it tight. So we got turkey bacon left, we got eggs and stuff like that. I'm just throwing in something quick because I want to get out of here and definitely do some studying for my job. Because I got like 2 more days until the final test. So yeah, I'm gonna lock in with that today. Maybe go hit the beach if it's not that bad of weather. Yesterday it was a perfect day. It was a perfect freaking day. It was like sunny outside. It was hot though. It was really hot. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Enough with the yapping. I'm gonna get my food ready, eat real quick, and then we're gonna head out and go hit a coffee shop. So here we go. All right, YouTube. So another clip, another day. Y'all saw me at the crib earlier. We were just finishing at Seminole Heights. Can't really pronounce it. I'm gonna have to learn how to pronounce it. But D1 Coffee Bar. I was just there from like 11 something, studying for my job, of course. And I'm pretty confident I got the main things down. You know what I mean? The main key components of the job down. But I'm gonna head back to the crib. I'm gonna drop off all the stuff I bought from CVS, my mouthwash and hand soap and stuff. I'm gonna drop that off. Maybe make a little pre-workout snack, and then definitely go hit the gym today. First day in a while. And then I put in the chat prompt, the AI chat prompt, to remake my program where it's like optimized and I can actually, get my workout in type deal. So aside from the yapping, let's get back to the crib, drop this stuff off, and then I will definitely attempt to film myself working out. You know what I mean? A couple clips of me working out, depending how packed the gym is. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Gold's Gym actually, because there is a Gold's Gym out here, and see what the membership's like. And if it's great, then I'm definitely gonna sign up, and that's gonna be my new gym from now on. There's a couple other ones out here that are pretty cool in my opinion. But other than that, let's get back to the crib. All right, y'all. We have officially arrived at the legendary Gold's Gym over here. There it is, y'all. Gym. I'm gonna get a day pass here, hit upper body. Let's get it. Boom, y'all. Just got done with the upper body first workout in Tampa. Finally, felt good. Gym wasn't too bad actually. It wasn't even that packed. I was just trying to figure out, like, they kind of don't have all the equipment, but it's just enough for us to work out and actually do our thing. So that's a major plus in my book. I think we have like 2 more days for free for the $40 deal. That's what they told me for locals, because I'm technically now about to be a local here since I live here now. Yeah, so we pretty much finished the upper body gym. I gotta go to Target, pick up something real quick, and head back to the crib. And maybe go to the beach today, because I definitely want to go to the beach since it's my day off, and then get back into refreshing my mind, studying to pass this evaluation exam when it comes to our last day on training. So yeah, other than the yapping, let's go to Target real quick, grab our stuff, and then I'll see you guys when we're done. All right, y'all. So I have found another beach that was about 16 miles from where I live. I just want to show y'all this shit real quick. It's actually sunny. It's not pouring rain. It's actually partially cloudy, sunny and stuff. Check it out. Freaking beautiful out here, man. I had to watch the sunset. I think the sunset's at like 8:24 or something like that. But yeah. There's some houses over there too. Pretty sure those houses are expensive. Dude, this is so nice, y'all. Hope y'all are enjoying the vlog, man. I try to upload every day, but because of my new job, I can't really do that. So I decided to come out here to clear my mind a little bit, take a break from studying for the rest of the day, and kind of enjoy my life type deal. And yeah, I live the fact that I'm currently live here now. It's freaking awesome. Check it. One more time. For the ocean, man. You already know the damn deal, though. I don't know what city that is over there. I don't know. But I overall fuck with the state. I'm not gonna lie. I've messed with Florida, man, heavy. Being in the desert for like 20-something years, and then coming out here to the coast now, it's probably the best thing I've ever done in my life, man. So, anybody that's planning to come to Florida or anything, or like, you know, change your life, maybe change your environment, I don't know. Well, look at that. These big ass birds. Flying in a flock. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. They're missing 2 more. Good thing I'm capturing this shit. But yeah, I like it out here, y'all. I don't live on this side of town, but the fact that I can come to the ocean every single day is amazing. So, other than that, I don't really have nothing else to say. But oh shit, there's a boat over there. It's cool as fuck. So beautiful. It's like I could be dead ass here for like the whole day. I don't know. Y'all enjoying this view too? Let me know in the comment section. Y'all enjoying this. It's probably the longest clip I've ever made. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all once I finish enjoying this view. I'll see you guys. Just like checking it out. Boom, chat. So we made it back to the crib safe and sound after seeing that beautiful sunset at that beach park. That was an awesome beach, by the way. I definitely plan to go to that spot another time. But we're back at the crib safe and sound. You know what I'm saying? No more studying for tonight. I don't want to burn my brain out completely and then completely screw over for tomorrow. So we getting locked in tomorrow. All right. This is our 4th day in training. We gonna get this, but I'm telling you, we're gonna pass this. But anyways, check it out, y'all. This is a hood local Tampa staple. It's called Salems. I got their Greek gyro, cheese fries, and mozzarella sticks. Yes, it's junk food, but I've been on a really strict diet. And my fridge, y'all, I mean, I know I could have made something at home to really save money, but it's almost empty, you know what I mean? So I got to re-up, I got to restock, you know what I mean? And all I have is ice and shit like that. I got to re-up and restock all that stuff. But yeah, y'all gonna see some of the clips of the sunset that I took. It was so beautiful, y'all. It's just crazy the fact that the sun don't set till like 8 p.m., man. Yeah, it's wild. But yeah, I am messing with the city so far, chat. I am not gonna lie to y'all. And more content to come, more upgrades. The motion gonna come in, and we really gonna turn this thing around. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pay off this credit card debt, and we really gonna change our life for the better. Like I said, I went to Gold's Gym today, and that was lit. So yeah, y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna smack on this food, y'all. Record the outro clip whenever I do. And I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. So here we go for the outro clip. Boom, chat. So this is the outro clip. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching the short little vlog. You know, like I said, I'm trying to get affluence with the new job and stuff like that. Like I said, we're gonna pass this exam, no problem, and get locked in with our source of income to, you know, pay the bills and all that and live life and stuff like that. That is all for the vlog today. So if you guys made it this far at the end of the video, thank you so much. And yeah, so pretty much that's it for the clip. Be sure to give it a like, comment if you have some opinions and thoughts about the vlog. And I'll catch you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Maybe tomorrow, maybe on my day off. So I'll see you guys in the next one.